Let me see your chart, Mr. G. Can you come down again? Yeah, it's this way. Oh, 26. You were waiting for like what I'm waiting for here too, right? There you go. Let's see if we give that opportunity again. I mean, it's here. We're gonna leave it here. I took a small buy there. I have my stop. I'm gonna have my stop here. Let's see what it does. It's get advice there because we're still below that zone, but let's give it a try. You can also come to this, but let's see what I have in my entry. 55, 9. This entry here, it's not safe because we are inside this box, so we can get stopped easily. So just be careful if you take any trade from here. We have another SMA here. Okay, let's see what it does. Push the button very fast. Just be careful, guys. We are in this range, not looking good. $30 is it's not a very strong confirmation for this, so we try, see what happens. Basically, I was looking for buys only above this zone here, but as soon as I saw this 30-minute closing above 8 moving average too, I would like to give it a try from here because I didn't want to wait for another hour to close here. So that's why I took buys based on this 8 moving average closing above. And we have a double bottom here, so hopefully we works out. Safe buys above this zone here, but let's see. And I usually don't take buys on the 30 minutes. I just didn't find any confirmation in the 1 hour or 2 hour candle. I don't have any moving average at this zone, only in the 30 minutes. So that's why I give it a try in the 30 minutes.
Oh man, my bad. I didn't realize I wasn't on mute.
What you said, Nick?
I wasn't on mute. I think my magic key sounds were going off.
Oh, you're still in, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm trying to create like a brain dead method, which obviously is like a set and forget it. I'm trying to have just like an easy one or two entry
Mm-hmm.
rules, and then just set the magic keys, and just walk away. Um, Only thing I want to manage is when it's coming down. I don't want to close too early. I want to like
Yeah,
let the how do I put it? Let the full lot sizes run, and only manage like, let's say I'm in a buy and it's breaking the low, I'll close half. But if it's just pushing, I'll just let it push.
yeah, yeah.
So just keep it completely brain dead where like no emotions are involved. So right now I have a partial stop loss below the current 30 minutes. Well, not the current, the 30-minute to close.
30 minute here.
Yeah, so my stop loss is, of course, same place you have it, below that wick. But I
Yeah,
have a partial stop loss below that
yeah,
bullish 30-minute.
would be good here.
So what I'm trying to do is have my wins always be the same, like 1% gain, but my losses always be cut.
Yeah, to cut them short. Yeah.
Yeah, so that way, no matter what, like, should always have bigger wins than losses.
Where is this price? It went away. Oh my god. We lost. Does anyone where did you win? Okay. Wow. Crazy. It's a 2 hour and 1 hour open, so if I don't like if we get this red wick there, it is what it is. Well, it's gonna be a lost day today. It may come down to this event, but let's see. Ed, I may, but I just don't like this zone from the beginning, so I may not. I may add another one. Which someone sent it. 1 minute chart. Weak momentum. Go down. Strong minutes candle. Very nice, Mr. G. So basically, it's coming to this, but just don't like this. Yes, coming to this one, I may add another one because this is a new to our channel. It got out, Nick.
No, my partial stop loss got hit, but I'm just gonna let it run.
Mhm. Stick like magnets to the price. Yeah, sure. My stop is not activated yet, but probably I'm gonna add once we touch this. This is why I didn't want to touch any buys or sells in this box here. But we tried, and yeah, it's what it is. If this come back up from here, it would be a miracle. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Added a very small one here. Right. Let me see what it does. So let me see what's gonna be my last stop loss here. This is my next. This is my second entry here. Let me see. That's my entry. Let's see if we got that push. Yeah. So I'm going to remove that here. I'm going to just leave that so I don't get confused. Um, so this one is my stop for both of them, and done for the week. If I get stopped, all right. Let's see gold. Yeah, gold is going to go down. Nick, you're still in?
Yep, I'm still in.
Nice.
Until it hits 750, I'm just gonna let it run. Because I already managed the trade once, so I'm not gonna manage it twice, you know?
Yeah, same here. This is my last stop here for both. If I get stopped, I'm done for the week.
Nice, nice. I'm just gonna give it 30 more minutes of watching the charts and then call it a night. Gonna give it like 4-hour window, and
Yeah.
that's it.
I don't want to distract you, Najim, but we have perfect buy setups for gold. Which time frame? Yeah, gold. Just don't like to take buys yet. I want to see confirmation in the 1 hour at least. I do believe it's coming down a little bit more. Yeah. Gold, I'm just going to stay away from it for now, but let's see something clear because I don't see confirmation yet for gold. Low support. Yeah. Even just pre-London up, then London down in 30 minutes. Yeah, it's crazy. This is the last trade of the week anyways. So let's see what happened. So having hard time to break that, but we probably gonna get cooked tonight. Is anyone in bias? I know Ed is in bias.
On GG?
Ali said no. Ali said not today. I'm in gold bias. Oh, gold. No, I'm in GG.
Yeah. Nothing moved until now. Half an hour ago when I left, it was exactly the same place, and now it's again the same.
Nate, my for momentum to get weaker on the bearish side. Let's see.
You've taken buys, Najim?
I took buys here in the 30 minutes based on this 8 SMA, right? Which is this entry here. And the price came down. I take another one here at this 8 SMA in the 1 hour, which is a 2 hour candle. It's still new 2 hour candle, also 1 hour. I give it second chance here, and that's the last trade I'm going to trade this week, for the week, and this is the last stop I have for both of them.
You know, you never take a trade on 30 MA. You were having FOMO. I can tell.
No, because I was like, looking at the 1 hour, I had no moving averages in this zone here. And when I looked at the 30-minute, I said, I'm gonna try in the 30-minute this time, but it did not work.
Yeah.
Which that's why I don't take in the 30-minute trades. And also I wanted to take buys above this zone, so I'm just being not patient.
Yeah, Raja style. And what's your TP? You have kept the same TP?
I'm gonna close this one here. Once you get into TP, take it out. And yeah, I'm gonna take some profits if we get to this zone here, which is the 23 pips, and leave runner and see if we got that break to this here, which is the wick to the left. Should we manage for another?
On Friday.
GG is gonna rush for another 2 weeks, probably.
Ali is like, nah, that's it. Enough move for in one day and range again for 2 weeks. Yeah, right.
Let's go. Let's go. Just get to this so we can take it up.
And gold is right there too.
Right, is going up. Gold.
It's still at the same position. What are you thinking on gold?
Gold, I don't. I want it to push down a little bit more, or at least see how this 4-hour close, because I don't like. I mean, maybe it's respecting this here, but I think it's coming more than that, down more.
Yeah, downwards. Yeah.
My good position stopped on B. That's it for me for today. Did you take buys on gold or sells? I mean, I think you took sells.
You took sells. Okay.
Yeah. Maybe think so. Yeah, this is where it says coming to this 8 moving average, the 15 minutes before going down again. Oh, you were in buys after the break of this 15? I think it should be good, like you should be secured 10 pips at least. You didn't secure anything? Okay, yeah. It is what it is, you know. It's the end of the week. Also, monthly is about to close. So the price is gonna be crazy. Take care, Amir. See you next week.
Good day. Have a good weekend. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. You too. Thank you. Push a little bit more. Don't respect this SMA here, which you didn't in the 30 minutes. Don't do it in the. Don't do it. Push. Okay, Najim, could you take a look at gold and see even if we break below the break and retest, or we can't any lower. Let me see. Let me remove this one here so I can see. I think it will go down a little bit more, unless we respect this one here. But I feel like it's coming to retest this 50 SMA, you know, because I have seen this when we break below the 8, it comes to the 50, which it did here too, right? We had a break of the 8, it came to the 50. Even we had like here up and down up, but it did came. That's what I'm waiting for on gold.
Yeah, it looks like it, but it will be a big wick, you know, it will be a very quick move down, and then it's going to go back up, because if it stays and makes some support there, then it's going to come further down, I'm thinking. So either it's going to be a quick move down, wick down, and move up, or
like
further down.
1 hour is showing down. There is no confirmation for buys. Oh, GG is pushing up. I am in profit. Finally. Let me see if I can get that out and leave one lower one. Don't respect that SMA now. It's gonna respect it here. I will be so mad. This is the 15-minute start. Oh, it's gonna start now. Push a little bit more. Keep going. Looking at 30-minute high, broke it for several buys for gold as long as it didn't break the previous low. See bearish momentum. Yeah, I mean, maybe you see something different, but I don't see any buys yet, because we keep making that resistance and keep pushing down, like even in the 15 minutes, like the 15 minutes moving averages, the lower time frame is shown bearish. So you know what I mean? Even
yeah,
the
but candles are not breaking lower lows now. If you look at the candles on 15-minute,
yeah.
they're just all creating a kind of a support, but then it will be broken, I think.
So where do you think you would buy if you have to buy?
You see this support that it's creating and respecting, that's what he's saying. If it breaks down, then I see no buys right now at all. No confirmation for buys.
Yeah, I don't see any buys yet. There's no confirmation for me.
Yeah.
Like bearish in 1 hour, bearish out, like we just
Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to just go this way and cross this wick, and then maybe retrace up and then go down again. Let's see.
Yeah, we have to see what price is going to make in this zone here.
Yeah.
Right. So some confirmation in this zone here. Otherwise, there's no confirmation yet for buys.
Ali, you have to go.
The move will start after my time out. Where are you going to work, Ali? Okay, about to close the first one. For 10 pips. Push a little bit more. push. Don't respect that now. Oh. Okay, I closed this one. Right. Very, 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 very small loss, but anyways, I'm in profit. I'm going to leave that so don't get stressed about that trade. It was like maybe a pip or 2 pips. Let me see. It's not good. Hopefully it doesn't come to my entry, because if it does, I will close that. Nick, are you still in? I think he's still in. Okay. It's more making phone calls. Okay. Respecting that. No, respecting that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Is your position at break even, Najim?
I will close manually.
Yeah. It looks like it.
Yeah, I'm not going to play around here. I'm going to wait for a break. I give it a chance. If it does come down, I will close it. Just closed 28. Okay, that's good. That's better than nothing. Yeah, I'm not. If it comes to my entry, I will close and I will wait for a break to close above and be a little bit more patient.
So in the Asian session, it was ranging, and then London session most likely looks it's ranging, and I think the move will be in New York now.
Yeah, probably when I am asleep.
Yeah, guys, let's not force trades and
Yeah.
just wait patiently. Otherwise, you'll
Yeah.
be paying the market instead of market paying you.
Sure. Gold is pushing down, huh?
Yeah, it is actually.
Yeah, there's no bias on gold. Oh, if we get this push like in this 2-hour candle, because of this one is closing bullish, if we get this push up, will be awesome. As soon as it doesn't, let me see what's going on with 30-minute here. 30-minute is respecting here. That's That's why I tried for buys. Now he's doing it for sells.
It's just simple range. That's all.
Yeah.
Up and down. That's it. Within that zone.
We're pushing down, or we're pushing up, or we're doing that. On the break. Come on, push up. All right. Pushing down. Come a little bit more down so I can close you. One hour is about to close in 5 minutes.
Yeah, and then there is 1 hour for the 4-hour candle close. If you look at 4-hour candles, they're making lower lows at the moment. 3 of them on GJ.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, maybe wants to come to this weekly zone here.
Yeah, and then up from there.
Yeah, let's see.
Keep in mind that volume will start dying now after some time. After half an hour or so, it will be just very less volume. It's Friday, moreover.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah, we should not force trade. It's last day of the week.
Yeah, it's Friday last, and then month is ending as well. Moreover, there will be less volume. So I think next move, any move that is going to happen will be in NY, New York.
Yeah. Let me see something here. Maybe if this one 30 minutes close back below this zone here, the next one to touch that zone and keep going up. Let's see. Let's see what it does. No, I'm still in. I'm waiting for the price to come down to my entry again, and we close. I closed the first one once it gets very, very close, like it was like I think 2 pips, and I closed it. So far, we have 2 candles rejecting this SMA. Hopefully, we get push up in the next 1 hour. I'm looking in gold in my phone, see what it's doing. It's rejecting, but yeah. Rejecting hard. I mean, it's not that hard. It's just for hour is not closed yet, so we don't know what to expect yet. If it was like a strong zone there, like weekly or daily with gold is right now, I may take buys, but there's no confirmation. It's very confusing. Yeah. Let's go close above that. Or close above it would be good. Come on, push.
How many pips is it?
Now I'm above about like 13, 12 pips.
Not bad.
Yeah. For a like for 100K account, it would be done by now. 20 lots like Raja. I will be done.
Oh yeah.
Looking good. Who wants to close above that 8 SMA? But remember, this is the range here, so you don't get surprised if we our open. Hopefully we don't get this weak fill in the 1 hour. I've seen that before. Let's see if this works now here. Respect that and go up in the 30 minutes.
It's ranging, so it should go up, but when it goes up, sell from there. When it comes down, buy from there and make 10 pips on each side.
Yeah, let's see. Raja can do 40 lots too if he wants to, with 2% risk. Yeah, his his account is huge. We will be there someday, guys. Don't worry. He started like us from there later. I remember Raja saying that he take like $12, $20 profit a day, and he walked away. I'll stop at B. If it comes down, I'm done. I like this position he is doing here. Let's see. Push, push, push. Don't even look back. Don't look back. Did you get the withdrawal? Then and stopped for 1 year. Men took for 400 to in 1 month. Who, Raja? was in the 2008, yes. Ali said trade futures. Oh yeah, you did that, Ali? You took, let me see. I took 400 to 12,000 in 1 month. Wow, that's
Yeah, he was doing
amazing.
futures.
What's
Yeah, I
the
want to learn
difference? Like
futures, but I don't know.
futures, like, is it different than DJ?
Yeah, options and
Than
futures
gold?
are a bit different.
Forex? It's different, you said?
Yeah, they're different.
Hmm. Hopefully we get this one 2 hour candle pushing. Yeah, let's see. Still have this 1 hour playing around. And we may get that quick feed, but I hope not, based on 2 hour and 30 minutes. But let's see what it does. $16 pips. 19. We close 50% here if you came up to this zone. Come on. Basically, it's ranging now. That's it. The good fly is we had to break this close above. Over here, we can come all the way down here very easy now again. If it may come back to this 10 pips, so we close 50%. So Gigi had car accidents and truck in traffic. London.
Gold's breaking up in the first minute, so yeah, I think will not take any trades, but we'll watch this.
You didn't take any trade yet?
No,
Yeah, it's
we'll wait for the NY, I guess.
It's my first trade on gold. I'm up 8 pips in buys. I was just experimenting.
Nice.
Yeah. You took it in the break of the 30 minute? Very nice.
Yes, Najim. I just took it there because I was looking at the hourly candle. So I thought it's gonna go up first and then down.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, 10 pips now. Let's see. Just
Very
secure
nice.
that now. Yeah.
Yeah, secure it because now it's breaking the first minute for the 1 hour.
Yeah. It's just
You
it
did
might be making a top pick.
You did Raja style.
I was
I mean, yeah, it does work, but just, yeah, very nice. Just because keep in mind this, it's here, but just secure and leave run on you're good.
Yep. Securing 10 pips is a must for this ranges.
Mm-hmm. Let me see if this coming down, we close 50% at 10 pips. Let's see.
But it looks good.
I'll push. I'm looking at the gold at in 30 minutes. Missed it. It's probably going to make that resistance and keep going more down. Gold. It wants to go up so bad, and I don't know what. Why is stopping here? Oh, okay. It's rejecting the 15-minute 50 moving average. Yeah. So it was like, why is rejecting that zone? Hmm. Close above that.
Gold is rejecting 30-minute 8 MA, right?
Let me see. Yeah.
And I'm waiting for the 15-minute candle close.
Let me go back on gold and see something that I'm missing here. Okay. Let me remove this. Today. So the clear resistance I see here is this one here, the daily, right? And 4 hour, yeah, that's the clean resistance I see. It's the daily resistance here. It's not a weekly zone here, like where the price is right now to like say, okay, it's rejecting that zone. Or we have like a weekly here, like we have a breakup below and coming and coming up again, like closing like this, I would wait for the like next candle to test this and go up, you know? Like that's why
Yeah.
I don't see any confirmation for bias. If price was here, like if price does in this zone what it did here, like an example, right? I can take bias from here up, but here there's not as it's not a zone, it's not a very zone like a strong zone to say okay it's breaking above again, so we may see continuation. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just, I think yesterday's resistance, that's all what it is. The resistance that it created yesterday, that's all.
Yeah, a 4 hour it probably is. Yeah. Yeah. 4 hour it can respect this one, or it can come back to this ones here, or even it can come down to this or to the daily one. So that's why I don't know. Like I can't take bias from here because I don't see anything like clear. You
I
know?
was not expecting 15 pips, by the way. I thought it will be hardly 7, 8 pips because the new 1 hour candle will make its top wick, but it made a big top wick. I was like, okay, that's a bit too much.
No, you did good. Like you made profit there. 10 pips on gold is good, you know. But
Yeah, yeah.
I'm talking about like big move, you know,
Hmm.
the
No,
one we
no,
touched
I don't
here.
see that. No, no confirmations yet for the bigger move.
Yeah. So like based on daily, the one we took here, based on daily here.
Yeah, it just closed my runner at the moment, so I secured 13 pips at the moment, and that's all.
Nice. It's just coming back down again.
Did you secure something on JJ?
It's coming to this our secret 50% here, 10 pips if it does come down here. Okay,
Mhm.
15 minutes closed up. Let me see. Yeah. If it does come to my 10 pips, we'll close 50%. What was your entry, Sasha? I think she entered in the break of the high, 30-minute high, right, Sasha?
Yeah, let me just show you 1 second.
Okay. Just 1 second here. See this 15 minutes, what it does. It looks good. It has no top wick, so we may make that bottom wick and push up. But let's see. I like how this 15 minutes closed above this moving averages. You want to explain him? Or did you take your entry, Sasha?
Yeah, it was on 15 minutes. When you go to 15 minutes, I will tell them now. Okay. So I drew support here. Oh, sorry, resistance here. And I was looking at it and I was waiting if it breaks above, then it means that at least it's going to go, few pips up to, create some top wick for the new hourly candle. And then I took an entry here, secured some pips at the top here. And then it came down to my position just now and I just came out of it. And these were altogether 15 pips from here to here.
That's nice. Very good. GG is pushing now in the 15 minutes. Let's see if we get that continuation. I will be right back, guys. I'm watching on my phone. All right. Okay, I'm going to close the 50% right there. All right. Very nice. About 20 pips, close to 50%. Let's see if we get that break, which I don't know. Let's see. This 1 hour, it can easily go back down. It still has 38 minutes to go unless we break above. Let's see if we get that break. Wow, very nice. Is anyone in bias, guys, or you guys closed your positions?
You're the only lucky one.
It was risky bias here because all I wanted is a close above here, but it is what it is.
But that's it, Najim. Come back for us. Come down again. That's it. Secure it and take us with you.
No, 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 no. Bias above this zone will be good. If like for our closing above this zone will be awesome.
That's true.
GG bias 1 minute made sense. GG bias double bottom. I think we have double bottom in the 30 minutes, maybe. I think not anymore because this one came. I mean, it's still considered a double bottom here. 15 minutes. Like this is a double bottom, even if it's like a little bit high, but same zone rejected.
Yeah, kinda.
Take care, Ali. See you. I see you next week. This zone here is very complicated. That's why you want to wait for a close above. Because look what
Since
it's doing
last,
here.
I think there are at least 15 candles, 15 hours. It's been respected.
Of win of as a win. Have you? Take care, Ricardo. Tenga un buen día. Gracias. I don't have the courage to execute like that based on the moving average. Gracias, Ricardo. Yeah, man. I just, I have trading like that for long now. Like I take the 30 minute here did not work, and before I said it may come to the 8. So, I was expecting that, and yeah, take it. I took it. Rejecting that zone again. Crazy.
Someone in the Slack took the same buys like mine. I was like, okay, not bad.
On gold.
On gold.
Let me see. I'm watching it on the phone. Yeah, it's just pushing down again. Just ranging. Anyways, we secured profit. Now it can do whatever it wants. Go up or just stop mid B. crazy. It is crazy, man. Have ever this last 30 minutes left for this 1 4 hour clip and close bullish on gold. Maybe we can expect a correction. Bearish move. Yeah, it may happen. Just maybe if we close above this 8 moving average, give it a try for hour or above this zone. So GG said not going up yet. I'm gonna stop your runner first and go up.
I told you, Najim, to take cells from the top. You close it, take cells, and then keep making 10 pips each way.
No,
Oh God, this is so funny.
yeah, it's ranging like just playing around there. Yeah, probably we're gonna have that weak fill in 1 hour, and I hope not, but let's see. Or weak fill up. Yeah, this is the range here. Like after this, I will be done for the week because there's no need to trade in the inside this range here. Um, Gold, could we may make a resistance somewhere around here and go down again, because that's what I can see in the 1 hour. But yeah, I don't see any confirmation yet. I don't want to take bias in this inside here because I know gold wants to come down more, or I'm going to wait for close above this zone again. You know.
The current 30-minute candle has no bottom wick at the moment on gold.
Yeah, so May wants to make that resistance like it did here, respected here. May respect this 8 moving average here, make a resistance and go down. 30-minute moving averages are for sells. 1 hour is showing sells, and 2 hour it may change soon for sells too. To take it down to retest that 4 hour 50 moving average here. Or if you break above here, then I will be looking for buys.
Check H4 candle on gold. It has a big wick now.
It can be filled down. The 4 hour.
4 hour has a big wick on gold right now.
Yeah, it can be filled too. Same as it's doing now on GJ.
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah. Just watch this zone here. Taking this shot. No, I'm not. I'm not in bias. No, I'm not in bias in gold. I don't like bias yet. I believe gold is going to make that resistance and keep going down unless we break above this zone again, which is a weekly zone here. Well, gold GG is pushing up again. Let's see. A little bit. What did they say before about this? Where is Nick?
I see some really nice bullish momentum on gold, and it hit the TP that I was looking at on gold
Yeah.
at 1894. Yeah, exactly. They're in beautiful around, I think 27, 28, 29 pips at the end when it just banged, and that's it. And but I had my runner, but that was a baby, very baby one. The other one got 99% position close, nothing left.
Did you leave? You close your runner?
I just left 0.01. That's it. Rest. I took I took 25, 0.25, and it gave me good profits. Left 0.01. I thought it might hit my stop loss, but it didn't. And it went all the way up to
I
the
mean,
full TP.
you did good. Like as soon as you see something that you don't like, it's better
Yeah.
to close to take a loss, you know, because I
Yeah.
don't
So
like the buys yet at all. Like what is it rejecting? Maybe it's rejecting 1 hour here, which is not a strong confirmation for me.
No, it came back to my entry. And before it came back to my entry, that's why I quickly closed everything. If you go to M5, you're going to see it came back to my entry.
Oh, it did came back.
Yeah, it came back to my entry. That's the reason I closed most of it. And then, but 0.01 was still there just to see how it goes. And it actually went all the way up.
Well, keep in mind this resistance here, guys.
Yes, it might reject that, but it's gonna go touch that for sure.
Which is also the 8 moving average, and the gold in the last 20 minutes, it can do a lot. Trust me, gold is crazy.
Gold is crazy. It's been ranging for so long, and now it's making the top wick that we were waiting initially, remember?
Yeah. It can do that and go down. Just be careful. Because the high time frame, it does respect this 8 moving average more than the 30 and 1 hour. Yeah, to be safe, if you want to leave this zone here, not trading it, and wait for a break above this week's here, will be good. Actually, I'm going to take a paper trade if he comes just before closing, if he comes here. Taking paper trade to down, see. I still believe gold is coming to retest this one. I don't know, but I do believe that it's coming down here. I would have stop above that zone. Retest this here. This is a paper trade, guys, so I'm not taking it. So basically, okay, feeling that movement.
Hello? Can you guys hear me?
TJ is looking good. Push more.
Ricardo has the same entry on Slack on gold. That's cool.
Ricardo, the other Ricardo.
Ricardo Just.
Okay,
Yeah, Ricardo Just.
very nice.
Yeah, let me share his chart here on the Zoom chat. This is his
Yeah, I see it.
trading view. I've opened it here. Share with everybody. Maybe we can see something
Let me
in
go
the chat.
to. Yeah, let me go. Is in London session, right?
It's in the chat. I posted it.
I'm going to show it here in Slack easily because my computer is a little bit it gets frozen when
Oh, sure, no worries.
you see it, right?
Yeah, that's the one.
One support from it on a 4-hour zone. Okay. Two small bullish, 15 minutes. Wait for the test of support. If we test with two small bearish, or strong bullish, 15 going from two previous bearish candle entry. Oh, nice. He took it in the 15-minute too. Yeah. Very good. Very nice. It's coming down again. It's just crazy, man. Yeah. Wow. Wow, 15 minutes. The range in here. It's not a good day to trade. Maybe New York session is good. Some move is gonna happen. All right, gold retested that 8 moving average, and let's see what it does now. If it breaks it, close above it or push down.
I wish I didn't secure it earlier. It was my 0.25 lot and I would have made more.
It's okay, you know, you saw something that you didn't like and you got out. We don't know what's gonna happen, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. You can take another trades later. I mean, I'm jelly. I didn't get it earlier because I'm busy eating.
Yeah. Gold is rejecting that SMA.
Yeah, Najim.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if ever this your target is from this resistance, right? Before you took a buy, before you take a buy for later, if ever it crosses there.
Yeah, buy for me above this zone here. Or if
Okay.
it come all the way down here, I would try to buy from here, but
But do you think it will retest this high,
which
the
high?
1912, the 1912 level?
1912
Yeah, the high from
here.
the 4-hour. No,
No, go top.
the highest one.
Here?
1912.
Yeah, somewhere there.
Yeah, it may. As soon as it close here, that will be the target, next target. Like maybe close like some profit once we fill this week here, because it's
Mhm.
the last day, so we don't know if we're going to go all the way up. But
Okay.
maybe 40 pips at this week and then 40 p here, or if you want to leave a runner to see if we get more than that. So this is what I mean in gold. Gold last 10 minutes, it can do a lot. You know,
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is very much
crazy.
moving.
This is what I was waiting from the beginning. If but
Yeah, 3 hours it did not move, and last one
yeah,
hour it was doing up and down and everything.
yeah. So in this 9 minutes, let me see, is this 15-minute candle? Yeah. Basically, it's going to be ranging in this 50 and 8 in the 15 minutes for a little bit. And it's rejecting the 15, the 30 minute, which is the 8 in the 4 minute, 4 hour, and rejecting the 8 in the 1 hour. So there's a lot of things on the way to keep going straight up. Yeah.
Does anybody tried leaving a position on the weekends until Monday?
I used to do it, but not anymore.
How is it?
Uh, it's good. You, when the market opens, you're in a drawdown or a win. That's how it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
But how about the swap? Because you leave it open.
If you leave it open, so you get like you lose your account, or you
Oh,
You have a swap, but swap is not too much. It depends on your trade size. So if it's
oh
really
swap
safe, it's not. Yeah,
swap
no,
can
I
put
mean
you at
even on
seven
weekends,
dollars
even
for
if the
lot,
market is
$3,
closed.
yeah, you get it.
$3
Okay,
for lot swap.
I see.
Okay, DJ's coming down. Probably I'm going to get stopped at B, that runner, whatever. Yeah, it is what it is. If you're trading trailing stops already in profits, then you can. I don't know who said that, but it said when you leave your position open in your market close, even if you have stop, price can keep moving and keep moving further. That stop you had, it doesn't work. If
Really,
you
I think it would work when the market open if it's there.
what do you
And
gold?
Najim, Ed is asking you something in the chat.
Yeah, you said if it retrace again, it might work. Yeah, it might work and come back to fit this week here. But yeah, I'm not interested in taking it. Why I'm not taking it? Because I would like more buys from here or up here. This is a paper trade, by the way. I'm not. It's not a real trade. This so
No, but he's saying, are you going to take sells if it touches the 8 MA again and starts going downwards? Are you going to take sells?
I would, but like it can work for next for R to come back, retest it again, and go down. But it's a dangerous situation here because price can go all the way up here again. and go down or even close above it. So that's why I don't want to risk here any trade. I want to take buys from up here, down here, or buys above this zone here. Just be careful.
Yeah, Ed, also have a look that this candle, last 4-hour candle, which is closing right now, if it closes bearish, and then maybe it is making lower low. But if it is not closing bearish, then it is coming back in the range. So it is closing bullish, which is going to show that the bearish momentum has maybe lost or something. So it will be back in the range. So that's not good confirmation for sells, I think.
Yeah, agree. We really need the confirmation with the lower time frame first for taking any trades.
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. At 5 minutes to 4 hours to close. So yeah. Yeah, just stay
Najim, are
away.
you going straight to NY session? Not going to sleep anymore?
What is that, Jar? I can.
Yeah.
What'd you say?
Are not going to sleep anymore? You're going straight to the NY session?
I'm going to sleep soon. I'm just waiting for to see what DJ is doing, like, and go to sleep.
Okay.
It's already 5 a.m. here.
Wow.
Let's see, DJ is doing something crazy there. Just bouncing there. Let me see. Let me see how 4 hour closed. Yeah, probably we're going to get this weak field and then GG down, but let's see. At least they have a protection here, which it's not that strong. But let's see if we respect this range inside here and then break up. Yeah, I'm in Pennsylvania, about 2 hours from New York.
Ajim, can you go to gold for a second? I wanted to say something.
Yeah.
What I'm looking at the moment is
Grabe, ang ganda ng
if
anak
this,
ng friend ko, baby. Tingnan mo.
I think
Oh, we can't hear you, Gio.
Grabe.
she's talking to someone
Tapos,
else.
ganda ng mata.
What you said, Sasha?
Yeah. So what I'm looking at here is if this level is crossed and it closes here in any hour, then it means it is going to be ranging in this area, up and down like that. And then anytime during New York break or something, I am expecting it to go and retest maybe the highs somewhere 1912, or maybe a little higher. And then next week, maybe on Friday or something. Yeah, well, what I'm looking at, if that happens, then on next week, maybe the price will make the lower wick on the monthly candle Monday. Otherwise, it is a possibility that it can, try to do this and then test the highs, and then later on sometime maybe try to come down, or maybe the same day it will just wake up and then straight away come down or something like that. Because right now it hasn't closed above that level, but if it would, then it's kind of fishy-fashy.
Yeah, So
What do you think?
this is weekly candle here. It might try to close below that zone, you know,
Yeah,
or if we
yeah.
push above and close above, we may see next
Mm.
week pushing further up.
Yeah, but then that will make a bottom wick first and then push up. So maybe next week its bottom wick will come retest quickly down here and then push up again further. You never know, yeah?
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, like to go with that, like let's say price come back up here, right? Weekly closed above this zone here, and we may see the daily closing below that zone. So we may go with that daily to take sales to make that bottom week, you know?
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
So and then take it up again.
And if the weekly will close below, in that case, what's going to happen?
If closed below, like wait for maybe daily to close back above because this bullish trend, you know? Or if we make a support here in daily and wait like for 4 hours to close below that daily, right? To close below back, next one to retest it, to go retest these lows here. That's why I don't like, it's not clear here because I don't have any like strong zone to say, okay, it break this, it closed above or below. Now I'm going to take the sales or buys. The only zone I see here, it's this 4 hour here, which I have here, you know. But you never know. It's a weekly about to close. The price is going to go crazy. Also, it's a monthly, so
it's a monthly. So I think the best thing would be go with low risk and high volume. That is the New York session, but don't force trade. And it's Friday. Don't lose your profits. I made some good profits.
Exactly.
I don't lose them.
So we may see now a touch here or even further and come back to fill this week.
Alrighty.
Same as it did in the daily here. We came up here and then we came all the way down, filled that week. Same thing can happen in this zone here. We came up there to test this zone and come back to fill this week, but I'm not taking it because it's not 100%, like not 100% confirmation for me. Okay. Oh, 4 hour closed bullish. So this also can happen same, can retest this here, which it already pushed a little bit up. Can fill this week here, but let's see. Unless we respect this and go down, break. For our, let's see, if we make that bottom wick. We made a support here. Let's see. Let's see if this respect and wake up.